everyone, welcome to a special fun episode of the MediMobile podcast where we're opening up our backpacks to show you what's inside that we need to get our jobs done here. I'm Emily, a marketing specialist, and this is what I need throughout my day. So besides the laptop I'm recording on, I always have my iPad on me because I need a video or podcast playing in the background while I work at all times, and that's the best. So with that, you would think I need a pair of headphones or something, but my AirPods are usually missing in action. So what I do is I usually carry around 2 pairs of wired headphones, one for my phone, one for my computer. That's what works for me, so that's what I do. Next up, I've got my notebook here. I always have one on me. I have about 100 at home, but this just helps me out whether I need to jot down some notes, storyboard out some ideas for videos we're doing for MediMobile, or even just do a quick little drawing to refocus. So I always have my handy notebook on me. With that comes my Japanese calligraphy pen. These are the best pens in the entire world. Can't recommend them enough, and they make writing or drawing that much more fun. Next up, I always keep a pair of eyeglasses on me because I wear contacts and you never know when they're gonna fail you. And lastly, I also need a pair of lip gloss to get through the day. So that's what I keep in my bag. I'm interested to see what my fellow employees carry with them on a day-to-day basis. So Rudy, let's see what you've got.
Thanks, Emily. Well, let me show you what I have in my backpack. So I typically carry, not typically, I always carry. What am I talking about? So let me show you right quick. So this is my MediMobile bag. Our leaders from MediMobile gifted these to us last Christmas. So this is what I carry. What do I carry in it? All right. Well, I carry this MacBook Pro. This is what I carry in it every single day. This is my device that I use here in the office. Actually, it's still connected and it's recording this right now. So it's a MacBook Pro M2, 16 gigs. It's a real workhorse. All right. What's really in this backpack? I think we're both going to discover what's in it. All right, let's see. First zipper here. AirPods. I can't live without them. They're in my ears. I use them all day long. A full charge lasts all day. See what else do I have in them? Sore throat lozenges. You just never know. I mean, I talk a lot. I talk, right? So they come in handy. Key fob for the car, right? Key fob. And you just have to have an AirTag, or in my case, I lose the keys, can't ever find them. At least most of the time I got a phone with me. So AirTag, I need to be able to locate them wherever I am. I have this really cool wallet that my wife gifted me a while back. It's one of these Ridge wallets. I love it. It's cool. It's very slim. I finally decided to slim down and only carry a few things that I need. And of course, what does it have? It has an AirTag because I'm going to lose it. There's no doubt. And I have lost it a few times. But you just never know. Sometimes you just get a little sweaty, right? And you just need to refresh, wipe that sweat off. So I carry some wipes with me. Well, and then we're in business, right? So carry some business cards with me. Some in there. All right. So that's the outer zipper here of the bag. All right. What's in the bag? What else is in the bag here? Oh, surprise. I do carry my eyeglass case. Well, I wear glasses most of the time. So I have my eyeglass case. I have downsides on my cables. All right. So let's see. I do carry one charger here, right, that I do have. And I have a cable, a USB-C cable with me all the times. Comes in really handy for most of my devices. And I'll share that with you. I got this multifaceted cable, really cool at a trade show. So it's just a regular USB connection there, but then you get this Lightning and USB-C, and I forgot what that other connector is that you get on the end there. It's really pretty cool. It comes in really handy. And then I wear on just a Series 9 Apple Watch, so I have my watch charger. All right, all the time comes in handy. In there, that's already out of it because I am terrible with paper. So I document everything on my iPad. I can't live without my iPad. I, in fact, had a really old iPad. I was always complaining how terrible it was. My wife got so tired of it, she gifted me one for Christmas. So I carry my iPad with me, and I have the magical Apple Pencil. All right. So I have that with me all the time in my bag. Another thing I carry in my bag that's in here is a second iPhone. Yes, I carry a second iPhone. I do have my primary phone here, and then I carry an older phone with me. You just never know when you're going to need another phone, right? And you got to be in touch and communication at all times. So let's see what else is in there. Oh, all right. I told you already about my AirPod. I love the AirPods. I can't live without them. But every once in a while, I misplace them. I can't find them. Find Me just doesn't even find them or they're dead right at that point. So I picked up this off brand of just simple AirPods on Amazon. I think I paid like $40 or something like that. They work. They're not as good as my AirPods, but hey, they work and they serve the purpose, especially when I lose them, right? So good with that. What else is in here? Actually, I think that's it, right? Oh, there's another secret little pocket in here. Let's see. What else do I have in there? I do have my little multi-port hub here, right? So I can hook this up real quick, connect an external monitor to it, connect various USB devices to it. I carry one of those around all the time. I do carry still a pen just in case, because it always seems that at some point in time, you've got to write something down. So as much as I lose paper, I dislike paper, pen is still needed once in a while. So I carry one of those in there. And that I think about, yeah, that about does it. That's what I carried in my bag.
So joining us today for What's in My Backpack is Kevin from our support team. Kevin, what's in your backpack?
I have no idea. We're going to find out.
All right, let's find out.
All right. Hey, I got that from the trade show.
Oh, what is that?
Screen cleaner.
Oh, screen cleaner. Yeah. Oh, hey, we all got screens, right?
Nail files is empty.
Okay. Well,
broke.
is it broke?
What else is in here? Some water flavor.
Sometimes, water is water, so you got to get a little flavoring there. Oh, yeah. These always come in handy. Yeah. So some dental floss. I carry some dental floss sometimes.
And lotion?
Lotion. Hey, sometimes.
It's the fingernail clipper.
All right. I'm going to let you handle that.
And keys.
Keys. All right. Yeah. Keys. Definitely. Some keys.
That's a lot of pockets.
That is a lot of pockets.
Probiotics.
Ooh, probiotics.
Good
It's
help.
always important to be there.
Spare glasses.
Yeah. Well, back up. Yeah. I hear you right there.
Flashlight.
Oh, you can
Who's
never
looking for
be. It's never. Yeah. You can never have too many flashlights.
Does it work? Probably need to put some batteries.
With batteries in it. Yeah.
It's a paperweight. And what else? More probiotics.
More probiotics. Different flavors.
And a lot of pens.
You're ready to sign some contracts.
Magnesium citrate.
Magnesium. Okay.
My bag is kind of redundant. There's some more glasses.
More glasses?
Another spare set.
Another. Have you had trouble finding your glasses?
Not anymore. Some cough drops.
Oh, yeah. I carry some of those too.
Been meaning to show you these anyway, which shouldn't be in my bag.
Oh, what are those?
What are those?
Oh, keychains. Yeah, lanyards. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I like those. Pretty cool.
A spare
cable. You
Cable.
never. Yeah, you need a charging cable. You always need a charging cable.
Have it out. Won't stay. My Android phone, my wife maybe.
She made you give it away?
She may be not use it. I have
Well,
iPhone after.
what
that,
a
but-
wise woman. Let me tell you that.
So that's what's in my bag. Sorry, it wasn't interesting, but
Hey, that's
hey.
what's in your bag. All right. Awesome. Thanks for sharing that. We have our chief of staff, Tammy. Now, I've always wondered, and I've always thought about it, chiefs of staff just carry like lots of stuff. So we're about to find out. Oh, I see you got the memo.
I did. You like my
Oh,
memo?
I like this one. All right.
All right, let's see what I have in here today. Well, of course, I gotta always have my phone.
Yeah,
That,
How
I
else?
can't go. That's 24/7.
exactly.
And then, of course, I have, pens and pencils. And then, of course, I have a famous, MediMobile.
Jewelry by MediMobile.
And then, of course,
A red pen.
I gotta have the checkbook
Ah,
to pay bills
Well,
in case
yeah.
somebody needs something right
Yes.
away.
absolutely.
And of course, charging cords can never be without charging cords.
You can never have enough of them.
And then, of course, the most important thing, you need to hold on.
Hold on.
The most important thing is the computer,
Yes.
which goes everywhere I go, even on vacation.
Even on vacation.
Even on vacation.
Like it or not.
Like it or not.
Never leave the home without it.
I can't.
Yeah, that's what it
Because
is.
somebody will call and need something.
All right. And I see you have it disguised in this very special.
Yeah, it's a very
Bag?
special, it's an old baseball bag that I used to take
It
to
looks
all the
great.
baseball games.
Looks great. It's held up well.
Yes, it has.
Well, thanks for sharing with us. What's in your bag?
Thank you.
I'm here with Jacob from our development team. Jacob, what's in your bag this week?
Not a lot.
Hey, sometimes that's a good thing if it's not a lot. Computer, hey, need one all the time. Yeah, let's. Yep, he's got his Microsoft Surface there, powerhouse. The notebook. What's in the notebook? Secrets.
Just notes about
Just notes.
random stuff. Yeah.
Just random stuff. All right, notebook. Hey, comes in handy. I know a lot of us just use our phones, but he's got a notebook. Works. It works. It works. Anything else? Any other little
Got a
things?
pen for the notebook.
Oh, a pen. What kind of pen?
Charger. That's it. MediMobile pen.
Never leave home without your MediMobile pen. I live home without mine, so I'm short.
And my charger.
Charger.
That's it.
Charger. Comes in handy. Comes in super handy.
Mhm.
All right. Well, travel light, but you got everything you need.
And
All right. Thanks for joining us today. So I see that you got a little bit more than something in your bag.
A hairy item stuck in there.
So who's this?
This is Tina. She's got her MediMobile necklace on. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
She's due for a haircut tomorrow.
Well, as you can tell, we are a dog-friendly environment at MediMobile. Well, thanks for bringing her in. We have Christy with our account management team, and she's going to show us what's in her bag. Christy, what's in your bag?
Lots of fun stuff that I could potentially, so I don't leave home without my bill book. It's color coordinated and everything. So
Oh my
that is-
goodness.
I take it with me everywhere. It's a planner and my bill book.
Oh my.
And then highlighters and pens to be able to color coordinate
Oh,
everything.
of course.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course, it's very needed. Then let's see what we have up
You can't
here.
have a coordinator without colored pens.
And no, absolutely not. Contacts, because you never know when you might get dry eyes
Oh my
or they might tear.
gosh.
So I got to be able to see
Yes, definitely.
my vitamins and medicines.
Yeah, those are important.
Very. Sunshades.
Mm-hmm.
Got to be able to get in the building.
Oh, yeah.
And then we typically keep 2 different perfume options in the backpack.
Oh my gosh. Just as a backup
Yeah.
or to alternate?
Oh yeah, to be able to, we
Yeah,
don't want to
of
smell the
course.
same every day, you know? Got to keep business cards and MediMobile merch in my
Of
backpack.
course. Never leave home without it.
Yes, and these come in helpful for being pregnant whenever you have morning sickness. So
Oh.
my ginger
Your
chews.
ginger chews.
Yeah, just have our basics. Medicine and some
Yeah.
Tylenol and sanitizer because we got to stay clean.
Absolutely. There's no doubt. Any technology in there?
I keep my charger to my laptop at the bottom, but my laptop's upstairs.
All right. Well, cool. Well, thanks for sharing with us and stopping by and showing us what's in your backpack.
Yes.
All right. So as we continue our series of what's in your bag or backpack or whatever you carry, we're with Mike. Mike oversees our front end security at our building. Mike, what's in your bag today? Show us.
Today, we have fuel for the brain, for the mind, for the body, for the soul. The New Living Translation Bible.
Awesome.
I always try and read a scripture to learn more and to spread the gospel. And to fuel that, I have spaghetti, homemade spaghetti with homemade sauce and noodles. Gets me through the day.
Awesome. Awesome. Hey, you're packed on both sides.
There
Not
you
only knowledge, powerful word, and then at the same time, like you said, you got fuel to burn
There
today.
you go.
All right. Well, thanks, Mike.
All right. Thank you.
So what's in your bag? Have we ever wondered what account managers, salespeople carry in their bag? Lauren, what's in your bag?
Rudy, I have everything in my bag because I have to be prepared.
Oh my gosh. Show us what prepared looks like.
Okay. Well, I have a bag of all of my chargers I could possibly need. So there's probably 10 chargers in here.
So no matter the technology, you've got it.
No matter what, I've got it.
Awesome.
AirPods, a watch, and I learned that from Rudy. I can't tell you how many times I've had to borrow a watch charger from Rudy. I've got my own now. I live and breathe by hard-boiled eggs in a bag. It grosses a lot of people out, but I'm prepared.
Protein.
Protein. You gotta
got
have
it
it.
covered all the
Gotta be
time.
prepared. I have Band-Aids.
Come in handy.
Nerds gummy clusters, a must-have. I have another bag full of lip gloss and lipstick. That's a must-have.
I guess just for any occasion.
Any occasion, you got to be prepared.
All right.
I have a bag of MediMobile business cards and stickers because you never know when you may need to market MediMobile, right, Rudy?
Absolutely.
I have my keys with my AirPods.
Oh my God. How many things can you dangle off a keychain?
So many. I have gum because you have to have fresh breath when you're selling things, talking to customers. I have my laptop that contains all of my magic secrets to MediMobile.
Ooh.
That also has my sticker with my bulldog on
Oh,
it.
yeah. Yeah, it's your dog.
I have a strand of pearls because you always need to be prepared. Pearls are always a necessity. There is never an outfit that pearls do not go with. And then I have my notebook if I ever need to write something down.
Okay. All right. Have you written anything in it?
I have, actually. So I grid my days out
Oh my God.
with my top 3 priorities and then my 3 small priorities that I have to get done.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Anything else in there? Anything else that you forgot was in there?
No. And I can fit so many things in a tiny bag, but that is it. That is what is in my bag.
So that's your MediMobile bag.
That is my MediMobile
All
bag.
right. Well, thanks for sharing it with us.
Thank you.
We have Joe from our integrations team. Joe, I love the shirt,
Thank you.
but more importantly, what's in the bag?
All right. So first off, just normal work stuff. Laptop.
Laptop, huh? I see. Dell Technology laptop.
Oh, yes. Charger. For
Chargers.
all the stuff I need to charge.
Absolutely.
And the thing I keep with me all the time, my Canon R6 Mark II.
Ooh, why's that?
Because I do photography on the side, and yeah, I just always have it with me just in case I need it.
Why this model, though?
Mainly, I did this model because it's a hybrid of photos and videos. This records in 6K oversampled. Looks really good for a lot of things.
Awesome.
And, yeah, like it's a workhorse for me.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right. Anything else in your bag you want to share with us?
Just more batteries for the camera. Just let it
Hey,
run.
batteries. You can never leave home without them.
Yeah, like I've had it happen to me one too many times where I did not have one.
You didn't have a
It's really
battery.
important.
All right. Any pens, any markers, any crayons other people have shown us their markers, crayons?
There should be an energy drink here, but I either drank it.
You already drank? So now you're full of energy.
As you can clearly tell.
All right. Well, thanks, Joe. Thanks for taking time out to share what's in your bag.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
What's in your bag, Sonia?
Well, we're about to find out. I don't know if we're going to be afraid or shocked or what, but we're going to go through our pockets real quick. Some ocean water
Ooh.
flavorings
Oh,
because you got to get
yeah.
your water.
Absolutely.
Chapstick, lip balm, hand sanitizer because you never know what you're touching.
Gotta be clean.
My AirPod case, which I bet is empty
Ooh.
because I never know where they're at. My fancy little pen, little transparent circle stickers, mints for fresh breath, more mints, more stickers.
More stickers. Yeah.
More mints. Clearly, fresh breath is important. Let's see what else we have in here. Dillard's Beauty perfume
Oh,
sample.
a little sample there. Hey.
I must have been on call and had my backpack at Dillard's. Motivational stickers for my planners. More stickers for my planner. A mirror compact and little wipes, hand wipes. Let's see what's inside.
Any technology in there?
Ta-da-da.
Yes, your
My
MediMobile.
handy dandy.
Yes, I see it's very sparkly too.
It's sparkly because we've got to add a little bit of sparkle to our life and
Yes,
some
of
little
course.
motivational stickers and funny stickers.
And of course, our MediMobile Genesis logo.
Our MediMobile Genesis logo, of course, top and
Yeah.
center. And there's a panda right in the center because I love pandas.
Awesome. Yes.
And
I hadn't seen the sparkliness though.
more gum or more breath freshener. Oh, this is a repurposed gum container with washi tape in there.
What is washi tape?
Washi tape is for I use it for my notes. So I separate every day of notes that
Okay.
I take, phone calls, whatever, notes that I jot down. I separate each day by my washi tape.
Learn
and
something
it
new.
keeps it separated, organized, and cute.
Wow. Cute. I guess that's the focus point right
Cute.
there.
My notebook,
Mm-hmm.
a ruler because we have to have straight lines
Oh
when
my
we're making notes.
God. Are those lined pads or is that no
It
line
is
pad?
a line pad, but sometimes you just kind of right in the middle of that, and I
Mm.
just have to have a crisp little line. It's kind of weird, but it's true. And more stickers for my notebooks and my notepads
Oh,
and
I
my
see.
notes. It's got days of the week on there that you can
Yes.
put on there. More stickers. I won't bore you with opening this, but this is tons of pens in different colors
Oh my gosh.
for depending what kind of mood I'm in for the day.
So some days it's kind of blue, some kinds
Yeah.
kind of red, so
Yes,
yeah, okay.
purple, pink, all the
All right.
colors. My MediMobile badge and the key to my car, and I
Oh.
keep them together so that if I have one, I know I have the other. If I can get it in the car, I can get it in the building. And I am an avid reader, so I've got 2 books in my back
Oh
right
my
now. So
gosh.
usually during lunch, if I'm not at TJ Maxx, I am reading books in my car.
TJ Maxx, yes, of course. Where else
Yes,
would you be
I
during
know,
lunch,
right? Exactly, and that's it. Oh, another pen.
Awesome.
That's
Well,
it.
cool.
That's what I've got.
All right. Well, thanks for sharing with us,
Thank you,
Sonia.
guys.